So it starts with really thinking hard, good and hard, about who you are. What's your background? What's your passion? What is, leave AI, that artificial intelligence topic, put that aside for just a second and just ask yourself, what are you passionate about? What did you see yourself doing over the last couple of years that you really enjoyed or that was of high interest to you? It may be a hobby, it may be completely unrelated to technology, it may be some network groups that you are part of or you are joining online. There are many different there are many possibilities out there, but it's really important that you reflect on yourself and try to understand who you really are before you go and basically approach the market and build a real business. What did you learn that you are most passionate about over the last 2 years, 1 year, 5 years, whatever the case may be, where you felt that you started on a journey or even a mini journey, you learned something new or something exciting, and that something is really made you better, or something that opens your eyes and mind to new possibilities, and you learn something throughout that process. So think about something, again, doesn't have to be related directly to technology or being very technical. It's not about tools, it's about learning something new. So maybe something around a specific industry, something about music, something about video editing, can be many things, but something that you are passionate about, that you enjoy doing. And because you enjoy doing and you're passionate about that, you found yourself spending hours and hours researching, without calling it researching, on that topic. And that's really a good way to identify who you are. And lastly, what is your superpower? So if you think about Spider-Man, Spider-Man has his own superpower, etc. So what is the one thing that you are really good at, or something that you see as maybe an advantage based on everything you know about yourself and the different experiences you had throughout your life, and something that you can tie hopefully to your passion and to understanding who you are. So all of those things together, if you want to write down 5 things that you are really good at, you are really passionate about, and try to distill that, to really filter that down to that one superpower. Try to put that into one sentence. Just take a notepad, just write it to yourself on your phone, on your smartphone, wherever. Create a note. Just write, what is that one thing that you are really good at, or that you feel is your superpower? This is really important, and this will serve you extremely well as we progress to the next steps.